Okay, hello. So today I will just be reviewing the things that we have already discussed last time bago tayo ma-cancel ang class nung nag-meet tayo. Ano po? So again, these are the steps that we have done to get the trigonometric ratios of the special angles 30 degrees and 30 degrees. We use the Pythagorean theorem to determine the values of each angles. Ano po? So this is the summary. Nilagay natin dyan sa table na yan. Then, to solve naman for the 45 degree angle, we did this. Ginamit yung new square. Now, we drew a diagonal, then find the measures of each angles para makuha natin yung 45-degree angle na kailangan natin. And that is how we completed this table. Ano po? And we also have tried to answer these simple problems. Ano po? I-try ulit natin na sagutan para wala lang, review lang. Okay, so color yellow. Okay, so let us find the value of the expression secant 30 and cotangent 60. So secant 30, as we can see from the table, secant 30 is 2 square root of 3 over 3 plus cotangent 60 from the table. Cotangent 60 is square root of 3 over 3. So let us simplify it by combining like terms or simplifying this expression. They are similar fractions, parehong 3 ang denominator. So we only have to add the numerators. 2 square root of 3 plus square root of 3 is 3 square root of 3. Ano, tama po ba? Kasi may 1 dito, diba? Pareho naman silang square root of 3. So copy lang yung square root of 3, then 2 plus 1, edi 3 square root of 3 over copy the denominator 3. Then we can cancel this out. So the final answer is square root of 3. Next, find the exact value of sine squared 30 degrees and cosine squared 45 degrees. So sine 30 degrees, tingnan natin dito sa table. Sine 30 degrees is 1/2. It is 1/2. Kaya lang, squared pa natin siya kasi sine squared, 30 degrees. Plus cosine 45. Cosine 45 is square root of 2 over 2. Square din natin siya kasi cosine squared eh. Okay, 1/2 squared is 1/4 plus square root of 2 squared is 2. Then 2 squared is 4. Then i-add natin siya. Copy the denominator 4, add the numerator 1 plus 2 is 3. So the answer is 3/4. Next is number 3, determine the value of angle x when secant x is equal to 2. So we are asked for the value of the angle. So alamin natin ano. Ang secant x daw ay equal to 2. So tingin tayo sa table, secant. Ito yon, secant dito sa part na ito. Ang secant daw, ang value niya ay 2. Ano daw ang value ng angle? So, ito lang naman ang 2. Ano po? So, ibig sabihin yan, ang angle natin ay 60 degrees. Okay? So, x is equal to 60 degrees. Next, example number 4, if x is equal to 45 degrees, show that secant squared x plus tangent x is equal to 3. Paano gagawin natin dyan? No? O, sige, substitute natin. Secant squared x plus tangent x is equal to 3. Kung ang x daw is 45 degrees, so secant squared 45 plus tangent 45 equals 3. Let us look for the value of secant 45. Secant 45 is square root of 2. Square root of 2. I-square natin siya kasi secant squared daw. Plus tangent 45 is 1 equals 3. Square root of 2 squared, makakancel siya. So matitira yung 2 plus 1 equals 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. So they are equal. We have shown that secant squared x plus tangent x is really equal to 3.